But at this point we're ready to export. So we want to go up to Share, and we want to choose iTunes, and large is fine for the file size. We're going to click Publish. Okay, this is an error that's kind of unusual, but essentially it's telling me to quit iMovie, so Command Q. I'm going to reopen iMovie, and the computer is going to allocate more memory or RAM. Should open right back up to that project. Go to Share, choose iTunes, Publish, and it's creating the large movie. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to cut out here and come back in just a second on how to upload to YouTube, which is the second to last step. We've exported out of iMovie, and it actually goes into iTunes. But really, when we create a project in iMovie, we want to get it on YouTube as a final product. So we are going to get on Chrome here, go to YouTube, open up a new tab. When you get there, you need to look in the upper right hand corner and see who you are logged in as. You want to be logged in as your GApps account. So I'm going to select that one. And now I'm going to click Upload. And at this point, I need to navigate and find that video that I made. And this is a little bit difficult when you share it to iTunes because it kind of gets lost in this hierarchy of folders. And you can try and dig down through iTunes Media and Home Videos, and it should be inside here. It was called Introduction Speech. It's not showing up here, and that sometimes happens because it's a new video. So how else can you do it? You can search like this. For the title, and I can find it that way. I'll just show you one other way. You can actually grab it in iTunes, unwatched. It's right here, and I can drag it to my desktop, and sometimes that's an easy way to navigate and find it as well. So now it's actually in two places. I made a copy of it, but if I look on my desktop, it's right here. I'm going to click Open, and it'll start uploading this. I would change this name, and actually the title of this is Intro to Introduction Speech. I'll tag it speech just for the fun of it. A comma makes it a tag. I can make it unlisted. This is kind of important. If I make it public, anybody could see it as a new video published to YouTube. Might be awkward to have other people watch your introduction speech. So what I recommend is making it unlisted and not private. Private means you have to add email access to it, and it just makes it really difficult to find actually. So unlisted is the way to go. And this will go up there pretty quickly, really depending on how long the video is. This particular intro to introduction is like 11 minutes long, so it's taking a long time. Yours won't take nearly as long. Now, if you just created this out of Photo Booth, the process is basically the same. You're going to click Upload. I'll have to wait here until this is done. And you'll upload it out of iMovie. I'm sorry, you'll upload it right out of Photo Booth, and I'll show you that in a second. The last part of this is once your video is uploaded, you should be able to find it on YouTube. If you go to my channel, click on videos, you'll see it here. It was uploaded. It's got 1 view so far. I watched it. I'm going to go to the video, pause it because I don't need to watch it. I'm going to scroll down to the share icon, and I'm going to grab this share link. Now it's highlighted already. I can hit Command C and copy it. I could also right click and copy it that way. So I've got that link grabbed. You could grab it up here too, but I encourage you to grab the actual kind of embed link, okay? And I'm going to navigate to Schoology. This is where we're going to turn this in. And just to show you how we got here, go to your courses and speech quarter 1, block 1, or whichever speech class you're in. Find the presentation speech folder. There's a discussion there where you can post the final product. Click link. Command V to paste that in, or you can right click and choose paste. Roniak Wilson, pairs, attach. Might have to choose this get preview over here in order for it to show up. And then you have to type something in this window, our pairs speech, exclamation point, post. And there it shows up. This was my first attempt, which I will have to delete. But this is the link to the video. We should be able to watch it in class from here.